Experiencing persistent loading issues with your App Store after the iOS 17 update? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. But before we get started, ensure that you have a reliable and stable internet connection. Once you've confirmed that, try the simple solution outlined below. Solution 1. Switch your internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, then turn on mobile data. Or if you're using mobile data, then try switching to Wi-Fi. Open the App Store and check whether your problem is fixed or not. Solution 2. Turn off Content and Privacy Restriction. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on Screen Time, scroll down, tap on Content and Privacy Restriction, and ensure that it's turned off. After that, try our next solution. Enable access to the App Store. Open Settings, tap the mobile device. Scroll down to enable App Store from here. Quickly after that, reopen Settings. Scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Background App Refresh, tap Background App Refresh again. Enable Wi-Fi and cellular data. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset. Then tap on Reset. Select Reset All Settings, and you will reset all settings. After that, enter your passcode and reset network settings. Make sure, by resetting all settings, your phone settings will be reset, so make sure to remember your password as well. After that, your problem will be solved. But if you have any questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.